What's up, everyone? Check out this three-piece plastic cutting board set I have right here. These are high-quality plastic cutting boards. I love the raised edge on here, and then it kind of tapers off to this side. So when you're done, you can just kind of brush that food right into your pot. They do have a rubber grip on the outside here, so they're very steady when on the countertop. Let's flip them over, and the other side is going to be a completely flat side. And then, like I was showing you earlier, this side, you can see the raised edge right here on this corner. It does have a spot where you could hook these on as well. So you could hook all three of them together up here if you needed to. That'd be a great way to store them. These three are just perfect sizes. This small one here would be a great size for fruit. This medium-sized one would be great for vegetables. And then this large one would be a great one for meat. So this is a great plastic cutting board set. I absolutely love them. If you are looking for a high quality set of cutting boards, I highly recommend these ones. Thanks for watching.